Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. If you're using Discord application and you're taking pictures or videos and those videos or pictures are automatically saved to your phone gallery and you want to disable that option but don't know how to do it, watch this video till the end and you will find out. So to begin with, you need to open your Discord application on your device. From there, you need to choose the U option right at the bottom. Once you tap on that one, here you will find the setting icon. You need to tap on that. From there, you need to scroll down where you will find the chat option. Tap on chat, and here, as you can see, just under camera upload, you see the option save to device, which is enabled. All you need to do is to disable that one, but when it is on, images and videos captured using the camera when sending a message will save to the device as well. So if you want to keep a copy of those, you can just leave it enabled, but if you don't want, just tap on disable, and from now on the images or videos you capture will not be automatically saved to your device gallery. So guys, this is how you can disable the images saved to your device gallery in Discord application. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.